Welcome to Air Combat Skill Lesson 2. In this lesson, I will introduce another approach to aim at an enemy plane. But before the study, you need to present what you have learned in the last session. Prepare and press the space bar to continue. And enter this time, we will operate the HMD sight system to lock and attack targets. Pay attention to the cockpit's right side. Rotate the highlighted HMD control knob to BRT to switch it on. Then confirm the IR cool switch on the. Now we have switched on the jointed helmet-mounted cueing system. Turn the head around and you can find some green images and data in the middle of your sight. Then press spacebar to continue. Now you need to rotate the head to aim at the target so that the radar locks at the enemy plane. Helmet acquired HACQ has two steps. One is for close combat and the other for distant combat. After launching the head sight, press the sensor controller switch in the top middle of the joystick upward to turn on the close helmet acquired mode. Then you can find the bore sight ring in the middle of your helmet mounted display. At its lower right corner, you can see some prompt signs indicating the HACQ bore sight mode. Under this mode, the radar will acquire all targets within 5 nautical miles from you. Press spacebar to continue. Press the sensor control switch upward for over 2 seconds. Then you will find the lower right corner of the sight ring turns into LACQ. And this is the long helmet acquired mode, which has similar functions to the close helmet acquired mode, but with a larger acquiring range to around 20 nautical miles. Now, please enter any one of the 2 helmet acquired modes and then press spacebar to continue. Well done! Now you are in helmet acquired mode. Rotate your head and aim the circular sight ring, which is formed by green dotted lines in your vision at the enemy plane around you. When the enemy plane enters the sight ring, it will be locked automatically. If you have locked a wrong target, you may press the undesignated nose wheel steering button at the bottom of the joystick to unlock the target. Try to lock a target and then press spacebar to continue.